5 African countries that every African can visit without a visa. Hello everyone, welcome to our exploration of Africa's open doors. In this video, we unveil 5 incredible African countries that extend a warm invitation to all fellow Africans without the need for a visa. Discover the seamless travel experiences awaiting you in these nations, which embrace a visa-free policy, fostering continental unity and making travel more accessible. Join us as we delve into the beauty, diversity, and unity of Africa, where these borders open wide to welcome you, dear African, with open arms. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from us in the future. Number 5. Seychelles. An island paradise in the Indian Ocean, Seychelles implemented this visa-free policy for all African tourists many years ago, promoting inclusivity and continental unity. This landmark decision was implemented in 2009, marking a significant step towards fostering stronger ties among African nations. Visitors to Seychelles are greeted with a haven of natural beauty, pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and lush landscapes teeming with unique flora and fauna. The archipelago offers a diverse range of experiences, from water sports in the Azure Ocean to exploring nature reserves like the Vallée de Mai, home to the iconic Coco de Mer. Travelers can indulge in Creole cuisine, absorb local culture, and witness the vibrant traditions of the Seychellois people. This visa-free entry not only facilitates exploration, but also symbolizes Seychelles' commitment to African solidarity and the celebration of diverse heritages on a global stage. Number 4. The Gambia. A country known for its warmth, the Gambia introduced this progressive visa-free policy for all African travelers in 2016, emphasizing its commitment to fostering stronger continental ties. This initiative not only simplifies travel logistics, but also symbolizes Gambia's dedication to promoting unity and cooperation among African nations. A visit to the Gambia is an immersion in diverse experiences. The bustling Albert Market in Banjul and the serenity of the River Gambia offer a glimpse into the country's vibrant spirit and natural beauty. Travelers can explore the historic routes at Kunta Kinte Island, witness the bustling bird life in the Abuko Nature Reserve, and indulge in the lively local music and dance scene. The welcoming nature of the Gambian people adds to the charm, making it a delightful destination for African tourists seeking cultural enrichment and natural wonders, all made more accessible through this open-door policy. Number 3. Benin. A West African gem, Benin implemented a landmark visa-free entry policy for all African visitors in 2019, signifying a commitment to regional integration and unity. This initiative eases travel barriers, fostering cultural exchange and trade among African nations. The policy not only promotes free movement of people, but also facilitates trade and business opportunities, amplifying the collective economic growth of the continent. Visitors to Benin encounter a tapestry of history and culture. Rich in heritage, it hosts the majestic royal palaces of Abomey, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the mysterious voodoo culture. The country offers diverse experiences, from the bustling markets of Cotonou to the tranquility of the Penjari National Park, a sanctuary for diverse wildlife. Tourists revel in the energetic festivals, explore ancient artifacts, and savor the flavors of local cuisine. Number 2. Rwanda. A country nestled in the heart of East Africa, Rwanda sets a remarkable example in fostering continental unity by offering visa-free entry for travelers from all African countries. This progressive policy, implemented to encourage inter-African travel, underscores Rwanda's commitment to promoting inclusivity and regional integration. Visitors to Rwanda encounter a land of astonishing diversity, from the breathtaking landscapes of Volcanoes National Park to the serene shores of Lake Kivu. The vibrant capital, Kigali, showcases the nation's spirit and progress with its bustling markets and cultural landmarks like the Kigali Genocide Memorial. Rwandan culture, deeply rooted in tradition, welcomes tourists to experience the warmth of its people, traditional dance, and artisan crafts. This open-door policy not only simplifies travel logistics, but also reflects Rwanda's dedication to fostering stronger ties among African nations, inviting all to explore its beauty and embrace its rich heritage. Number 1. Kenya. By the end of 2023, all Africans will be allowed to enter Kenya without a visa. Kenya, renowned for its stunning landscapes and rich cultural tapestry, extends a welcoming hand to travelers from all African countries by providing visa-free entry or visas on arrival. Visitors to Kenya are greeted by a mosaic of natural wonders, from the vast savannas of the Masai Mara to the breathtaking views of Mount Kenya. The country's diverse wildlife, showcased in its numerous national parks and reserves, offers an unforgettable safari experience. Nairobi, the vibrant capital, boasts a blend of modernity and tradition, hosting bustling markets, cultural museums, and a thriving arts scene. Kenyan hospitality, steeped in warmth and inclusivity, invites tourists to immerse themselves in the local culture, traditions, and culinary delights. This open-door policy not only simplifies travel logistics, but also represents Kenya's dedication to embracing and sharing its beauty with all African visitors. Although these are the only African countries that allow all Africans to enter visa-free, there are also some other countries that allow visa on arrival to all Africans. The most recent country to open its borders to all Africans and other visitors is Burundi. From December 3, 2021, all visitors to Burundi, except those from the visa-exempt countries, have the option to acquire a visa upon arrival at Bujumbura International Airport and all land borders. Bujumbura has warmly received all African travelers, either granting visa-free access to East Africans or offering visas on arrival to others, omitting the necessity for entry permits. This inclusive approach propelled Burundi from the 44th to the 12th position in the continent's visa openness ranking, akin to Benin, Nigeria, and Ethiopia's improvements. President Evariste Ndayishimiye's initiatives post-COVID-19 in reforming immigration policies may contribute to this positive shift, notably as the current EAC chair. By facilitating easier access, Burundi not only invites exploration of its diverse landscapes and rich cultural tapestry, but also promotes the principles of the African Union, fostering a spirit of unity and cooperation across the continent. Thank you for joining our exploration of Africa's visa-free gems. These nations exemplify open borders, fostering unity and enabling seamless travel experiences. Subscribe for more travel insights and join us in celebrating the beauty and unity of Africa as more countries open their doors wide to welcome all with open arms. Safe travels and see you on the next adventure.